How to get unblocked from Instagram Live. Firstly, launch Instagram app on a device. Log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, you will get access to the settings and activity page. Scroll to the bottom and select help. Tap report a problem. Tap report problem without seeking. Tap include and continue, and here you will get access to report problem page where you have to briefly explain about what happened or what's not working. So you need to text or report or send report to the Instagram team explaining that you haven't done any activities against the community guidelines of Instagram. So you need to ask for help to get unblocked from Instagram Live and recover your Instagram Live. So after you have written all the report issues, you can tap on the send button at top right corner of the screen and get unblocked from Instagram Live after a few hours, like 24 or 48 hours. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.